Arithmetic means. Insert the indicate number of arithmetic means. Number 1, 6 blank 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 and 22. A sub 1 equals 6, A sub 2 equals blank, and A sub 3, and A sub 4, and A sub 5 equals 22. Our formula is A sub n equals A sub 1 plus quantity, n minus 1, and d. So our n equals 5, so A sub 5 equals 6 plus quantity 5 minus 1 equals d. So A sub 5 equals 22 and copy 6 plus 5 minus 1 equals 4d. Additive inverse 6 equals 22 minus 6 equals 4d, and 22 minus 6 equals 16 equals 4d. Divide both side by 4 equals 4 equals d. So A sub 2 is blank. So 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 10 plus 4 equals 14, and 14 plus 4 equals 18, and 18 plus 4 equals 12, 22. First, our given is y equals 2x plus 1, y equals 2x plus 1, and x equals 2y plus 1. So, additive inverse by 2y equals 2y equals x plus or plus negative 1. So, divide both sides by 2 equals cancel 2 and equals y equals x minus 1 over 2. Geometric means. Insert two geometric means between 3 and 24. 3 blank blank 24. Given a sub 1 equals 3, n equals 4, a sub 4 equals 24, and r is none. Our formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 r to the power of n minus 1. So a sub 4 equals 3r to the power of n equals 4, so 4 minus 1. So a sub 4 is 24 equals 3r cubed. So divide both sides by 3. So this is 3 square root of 8, 3 square root of r cubed. So this is our answer. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. So linear equation, our formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. How to find slope? So our given is 2, negative 3, 4, and 5. Our x sub 1 is 2, and y sub 1 equals negative 3, and x sub 2 equals 4, and y sub 2 equals 5. So m equals 5 minus quantity negative 3 over 4 minus 2. So negative times negative equals positive. 5 plus 8 equals, or 5 plus 3 equals 8 over 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 4. Our slope is 4.